All right, so I need to mow my front yard while it's dry this weekend. I wanted to spend more time cleaning it up, but I'll do that another time. So I have a spring kit. I have all the pieces, but this kind of fork choke lever on the top that actually moves the butterfly inside. The eyelet broke off, so that's why I have to replace it, but I couldn't find just that piece, so I bought a replacement carburetor because it was only, I don't know, it was less than 20 bucks. So at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and install a shutoff valve. So I'm going to clamp, I'm going to try and see if my hose is long enough. I'm going to put a shutoff valve in here. So I'm going to drop this off of the carburetor inlet. I'm going to try to get that down to my fuel tank, my gas can, drain it until I just don't have fluid out here, and then get the new hose, or at least put in line shut off valve. So I'm in a hurry, but I do want to film it so you guys see what it's like to just replace the carburetor. I don't think mine comes with the shut off switch. This is like a kill switch. It will open and allow fuel to flow if you're sitting down. When you get up, the safety device basically cuts this, and then it springs and shuts the fuel off, and it's a safety mechanism to kill the engine so you don't chop your foot off. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and just start filming, and then I'll do some editing on it, but I'm probably not gonna do any audio. I just need to kind of get it done. So hope this helps you guys. This will probably be the last year I use this mower, but I do want it to run properly all year nicely. So put a little bit more energy into it. It has done well, so it's a good mower.